Hello everyone, welcome to Nutritious Meals. We are going to make masala dosa and egg masala dosa. It's going to be super tasty and easy to make. So let's begin. Take 500 grams of rice and wash it well. Take 125 gram of urad dal, wash it with water cleanly. After washing it, soak for 5 hours. After 5 hours, now we are going to make batter. Take grinding jar, put 1 cup cooked rice, then add soaked urad dal and grind it. Maintain thickness and consistency while preparing batter. Now grind soaked rice. Then add rice batter in urad dal mixture. Mix it well till two separate mixture get together completely. Leave it overnight to get ferment. After fermentation, batter become fluffy. Now we are going to prepare dosa chutney. Take 10 to 15 dry red chilies, 2 sliced onions, salt as per your taste. Grind it. For making dosa, grease pan with oil. Apply dosa batter. Put some oil. Spread dosa chutney. Add roasted chana powder. Same process for egg dosa. Apply the batter. Spread egg on dosa. Spread some oil. Apply chutney. Add roasted chana powder. That was my recipe for making masala dosa and egg masala dosa. Do try this recipe. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe to my